Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Blessing Toma, and in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to draft a Princess Dart bustier. If you've been struggling with Princess Darts, then this video was created with you in mind. The video is detailed, it's beginner friendly, and you want to watch to the end. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Let's get started. We'll start by drawing out a starting line. That is where every other measurement will be taken from. So from the starting line, you place your tape and then you are going to mark points around your bust point. From my shoulder to 10 inches is my bust point. Then I'm marking points around 13 inches, which is my under bust measurement. So I'm going to mark points also on my half length. 16.5 inches my half length. I'm marking points around it. Now we are going to draw a straight line across. I'm going to use my marker so it will be visible. So I'm drawing a straight line across my bust points. I'm drawing a straight line across my under bust. And now I'm drawing a straight line across the half length. I'm just going to label them under bust. And then this is the bust point. So now for the neckline, I'm going to come in by 3 inches. And I'm going to mark my shoulder measurement. Then from there, I'm going to come down by 1 inch for my shoulder slope and connect it to my neckline. The next measurement you need is your armhole depth. To get your armhole depth, divide your bust by 6 and add 1.5. Mine is 7.5 inches. Then I'm just marking points so I can draw a straight line. So I'm going to connect a straight line like so to the 7.5 inches after my shoulder slope. Now I'm going to connect dots around so I can also draw a straight line, and I'm going to label that part chest line. So I'm going to connect a straight line like so, and I will label it chest line. That is my chest line. Next, you are going to divide your armhole depth into 2, and then you are going to mark the middle point because this is the front pattern. You mark the middle point, and then from the middle point you are going to go in by half inches. Then when you go in by half inches, you are going to mark your bust measurement on your chest line. Divide your bust measurement by 4 and mark whatever you get on your chest line. Now we want to connect all 3 points together. Can you see how I'm placing my curve? This is how you should place it, just like this. Then 1, 2, 3. You will connect the 3 dots together like so. Then you have it. The armhole curve looks perfect. Next thing you want to do is to come in by your nipple to nipple measurements, which is also called bust palm. Mine is 8 inches. I just divided it into 2 and I'm marking 4 inches from your bust point to the half length measurement. Now we are going to come in by half inch from our under bust. Half inch from the middle, you are going to mark half inch, and the half length, so you will mark half inch. Then you are going to connect a straight line from your under bust to the half length. Next, you are going to go in by 1.5 inch on the side. At your under bust line, you mark 1.5 inch, and then the half length, you also mark 1.5 inch, and you are going to connect the straight line like so. Now you want to connect a curve. Can you see how I'm placing my curve? Place it that way. Then you neatly connect a curve. Now for this other part, we're also going to connect a curve just like this. There you have it. Both curves are sitting perfectly. To get the Princess Dart curve, the next thing you want to do is to measure your armhole. You're going to measure it just like what I'm doing. I'll measure it, and whatever I get, I will divide it into 2 equal parts. Then I'm going to mark it just like what I am doing. So now then we are going to connect a curve downwards, but we can't connect it to the bust point. We are going to come up by half inch. You come up by half inch, and now you are going to connect that line you already have. You drag it up a little bit. Can you see? I have extended the bust point line upwards by half inch. Now the curve that is coming from the middle point here, the midpoint we just marked, you're going to now place your curve like this and connect it down to the half inch you came up by, not your bust point again. The half inch you came up by, that is where you are connecting it to. Can you see that the Princess Dart is already coming out in place? But this is not enough. Now we are going to go in by half inch. Can you see what I'm doing? We're going to mark half inch on both sides of this curve we just drew. Now you're going to mark half inch, and now you are going to connect another curve to the existing curve. Just watch what I'm doing closely. The first curve, and now there's another curve upwards. You're also going to connect it downwards to the existing curve we have already. Can you see how I'm placing my curve rule? Just place it that way and you connect the curve. So this is what you should have. Now the next thing we want to do, we are going to extend one of the lines, the lower line. This one, we are going to extend it. We took out 1 inch, so you are going to replace that 1 inch Just place your tape the way I'm placing my own, mark a point. You will be following the existing curve. There is a curve already. You're just going to extend it like the curve is already going. You're not going to tilt your hands to the side. Just bring the curve you already have, extend it by that 1 inch. Now you are going to add your seam allowance, 1.5 inch seam allowance, and this 1 inch you are going to replace it. So I'm going to add the 1 inch extra. So now for your underbust, you're going to take your underbust measurement. Next, you are going to add 1.5 inch seam allowance. Then the dart we took in the middle, you are going to measure what you have. You should have about 2 inch. Then you replace it. So you go ahead to replace the dart. Next, you are going to take your waist measurement. Divide your waist measurement by 4. Put your seam allowance, 1.5 inch seam allowance. The dart you have in the middle, you are going to measure it and you will replace it again, 2 inches. Now I'm going to connect all lines together. I'm just going to make this one more visible. Now we'll connect this, and this together. Just look at how I'm placing the ruler. You connect the first curve and then you connect the other one downwards. Next, we are going to connect this now. This is our new armhole. You connect it just like so. The first curve we made is no longer relevant. That is the first armhole you can see. It's no longer relevant. So this is the armhole for the top. Now this is totally optional depending on the neckline you want. I want a round neckline and I came down by 4 inches for my neck depth, and I'm connecting a round neckline with my curve ruler. It's time to cut the pattern, and I would advise you pay close attention to how I'm cutting it, because slightest mistake you can destroy this pattern. Can you see how I'm cutting it gently? That is how you should cut yours too. The darts, you are going to cut them out of course, and the first armhole remains irrelevant. This is our new armhole. This one I'm cutting here, that is your new armhole. You can transform this into whatever you want to transform it. This can serve as half length for a flare dress, a gathers dress. It can also serve as a top. You just need to increase the length if you want it to be a straight top. If you would love to see how I transform this princess dart pattern into this top on your screen, you want to subscribe to this channel, turn on your post notification so you don't miss out when I upload the next part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found it useful, and if you did, please let me know in the comments. See you in the next video.